Zoom zalata. Hello, Ngahpi.
Hello.
Ipin bol hamo.
Pon ka khong
Pun kon. Itiana ki panham pun kon he.
Last week.
Last week.
Yes.
Chi nay ni kwa pun na kon masat pen na hamo.
Yes. Hama sa pen.
Pun kon he. Aim society adi achu numeho quality khat jong chu na hi na.
Yeah.
Dangin la pon na kong pa khapon. Ipiti dana chu hoila na uma pon na kon lo to hi ipiti pon na kon ham cham chan seyo.
Ke chu le Shillong ka say lenin Christmas ho ka hong jiteng le ka vet ji le I really wanted to learn ka hi ka kil num ji and Ngahpi zanga zong nupi tam tain in a chen pivin like because they sell it it's around 60 70 and all. I'm not doing for my profession but it's just that I wanted to learn and also I wanted to try it out actually.
Okay. Pun kon dan chu to idea ne het thau ta na. It's just beginners holding a aziam jong chomlova a thilbu ki thillu da chule ata him ta ding ta ba chu idea nan het le cha ko na hi e ho khamtang sai pi khu mo jong hun khon panding a hi na hi cho chula learn the ball nom the layam or hi cha hi ki chai ki go tam le
Cha hi ka thep zo teng la chun ka learn be di khamtang khon ji to sai pi khu khon ji jong aban bana to hi le ta ji dan ho bo
okay. Ajo ana sai bangin Shillong born and brought up na hin Shillong chui tam nga pun khon na jong
kinai lo
lo na happy valley la langa ko khong jong thau nan tin da chun Shillong dang ho chun hitabang he na he khapun MA B.Ed jong hunjowa in gangpi jang Manipur sunga na hongum te kilhana chu hitabang konom na neyen munchoma born and brought up ho nunga ai mi nunga munchom choma born brought up ho dinga chi pi message na pi no ma
message would be like it's very interesting and as a woman it'll be nice if you know how to pon kong how to do all these things and yeah you can venture it out. Lockdown is quarantine because of this COVID-19. I was getting so bored, so I was thinking, okay, why don't I just try my hand in this? And I started it, and it's very nice, and you would love it. So everyone can learn, and it is actually not complicated. It is easy. But the first time I tried, it was very complicated. But since I got to know the steps, it is very easy. So that's what I want to say.
COVID-19 he mi tam pi dinga boina e hoding jong boina hina hin la nang ma personal life ba dingin positive lama na sata in na mangin ki pa pi na ome mon som choma mon jong itabanga ina ki kul khup jing lai ba he apha chum thil ta salam le thagaw lama iman su ke diu hi kine ba min nga pi in hit about example pi 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 zero na chunga ki pa thu save.
Thank you.